Hello, it's Davita. Welcome back to Abstract and Flow Studio. So I have been busy lately. I've been painting, but not pouring. So I'm going to share with you some of the other projects I've been working on. This is one of them. And paintbrush and spatula and all that good stuff to create this beauty. I've also been working on a little 12 by 24 piece. And I'm actually working on a sister, which is here. I've already put the gold foil on it, so I just need to, get my spatula and create something that's going to complement this piece. So that's kind of what I've been working on lately. But I'm back today to do a pearl pour for you using Hippy Crafter paint. And today I'm going to be using their lemon yellow and their Mars black. And again, thank you to Carol for sending me those paints. So I'm going to get the canvas covered, pan the camera down, and we're going to get this pour started. Okay, so here we go. We got the canvas semi-covered. And I just wanted to show you how easily the white base paint is flowing. So that's exactly what you want when you are flooding your canvas. And you want to make sure that you put enough paint on the canvas to cover everything. Okay. So I'm not going to do I'm not going to layer the cup. What I'm thinking of doing is just adding the paint to the canvas and moving it around and hoping we get something pretty. That's what I did on my tile, and let's show you that real quick. So I added a puddle of black first and a little puddle of yellow and a little bit more black over it, and I want something hopefully that resembles that. So we'll see. Fingers crossed. Here we go. And actually, it didn't really mix that much that we got green. but you know, I'm not sure what it's going to do on a larger scale. And you know, I like green, so I don't really mind if a little green shows up. But this is what we are working with. And let's see what we get. We've got some nice flowage going on. Okay, that's pretty much what I was going for. So let's torch it and let it do its thing. This is not a dump and swirl. This is my pearl pour recipe, and I intentionally wanted to cover the whole canvas. And I'm hoping that the middle, which I'm not going to torch, stays solid. So we'll let it develop and see what happens. But I definitely like this yellow, green coming through the red. I'm sorry, the black. And we're getting some good reaction right away. Okay, I think it has done all that it's going to do. And it actually hasn't been that long, maybe about 15-20 minutes. But I am loving how this developed. We got a little of the yellow showing through the white, so it's just a hint of color in the pearls. And I don't know, I don't think I could have created this particular shade of green. That's why I did mix and combine the black and the yellow. This is exactly the reaction that I wanted. You know, I wanted to be surprised to see what shade I would get. And I'm really loving this. So, yeah, this turned out so pretty. Almost like this one, which was a happy accident. But this one was Payne's Gray. And I like the way that turned out too. So of course, I didn't want to recreate it, but I wanted the same concept. And that's kind of what I got. So thank you so much for spending a little time with me. I am doing bigger and better things, not on camera, because to do something like this, which is the foil, takes forever. Takes forever to do. I may do a time lapse. I don't know. We'll see. But there's your pearls. I hope you enjoyed them. Have a beautiful day. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Stay safe. See you next pour. Bye.